In the sky so high, there's a condor in flight, with wings so wide, he's a majestic sight. And down below, in the forest so deep, the Peruvian bear wakes from his sleep. Oh, 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 the wonders of Peru, and the wild bugs roll from the mountains to the rivers, it's their home. Llamas and alpacas, soft as the sky, and the vicunias swallows so fine and high. Where the water flows, the giant otter swims. Where the jungle grows, the pink dolphin plays, splashing in the stream, while the jaguar hunts, swift and unseen. Oh, 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 the wonders of Peru, where the wild ones roam. From the mountains to the rivers, it's their home. Cover the rock with feathers so bright, and the iguana basks in the sun's warm light. Oh, Peru, where the wild ones roam. From the mountains to the rivers, it's their home. Llamas and alpacas, soft as the sky, and the vicunia's wool, oh so fine and high. Oh, 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 the Amazon, where the water flows, the giant otter swims. Where the jungle grows, the pink dolphin plays, splashing in the stream, while the jaguar hunts, swift and unseen. Oh, oh, the wonders of Peru, where the wild ones roam. From the mountains to the rivers, it's their home. Conquer the rock with feathers so bright, and the iguana basks in the sun's warm light. Oh, 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 the manatee floats in the river so wide. Peruvian hairless dog by our side, through deserts, forests, and mountains so tall. Peru's exotic animals, we love them all. Oh, 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 the manatee floats in the river so wide, and the Peruvian hairless dog by our side, through deserts, forests, and mountains so tall. Peru's exotic animals, we love them all. Oh, 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 Peru's exotic animals, we love them all. Oh, 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 with the manatee floats in the river so tall, and the Peruvian hairless dog by our side, through deserts, forests, and mountains so tall. Peru's exotic animals, we love them all. Oh, 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 the manatee floats in the river so wide. Oh, oh, and the Peruvian hairless dog by our side. Oh, 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 through deserts, forests, and mountains so tall. Peru's exotic animals, we love them all. Oh, oh, with a flap, a roar, and a joyful tune, we celebrate the magic of Peru under the moon. From the peaks to the valleys, the jungle to the sea, Peru's wild wonders, forever running free.
Give your like, subscribe, comment, share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you next time.